Ladies and gentlemen, the following match is scheduled for one fall, and it is for the Hardcore Heavyweight Championship.
I know that now.
So, basically a whole year, the CWF tried to take out the most dominant force, faction, whatever. But it took one man, me, to take out the AOP. I didn't do it because, I was mad. I did it because I can. I have a little problem with authority, with leadership, with that man right there, the flashlight. So, I attacked the AOP. Then, I won the Hardcore title. Then, somebody got a little jealous and had to come out after my match and hit me. Go behind my back instead of doing it in my face. Wah, wah, wah. That's all we hear from you, Affleck. Bottom line is, you cost us the Tag Team Championship and you demolished the greatest faction the CWF has ever known. Why? Because your ego got in the way. You couldn't stand the success of myself and Tank. We came to this company as a unit, and you turn your back on that. Now Tank's in the back somewhere, not quite sure. I'm sure he's listening. You have yours coming to you. And tonight, I will take your Hardcore Championship. No. You'll never beat me. You know why? Because I'm not going to give up. I got injured last year. No one called me from the AOP. Nobody wanted to talk to me. When you got injured, again, nobody cares. Yeah, you got injured. Big deal. You sat at home, nobody called you, nobody talked to you. We were busy winning championships. No, being grief. You try to take a leadership role of a unit that had none. Right. So the bottom line is this. You're jealous. You got an ego. And you're just not that good. MVP? Yeah, they called me an MVP because I was the only one and the first one to win a title.
So, by the end of the night, I'm gonna still have this title, and you ain't gonna beat me.
Try to win a match with a broken leg.
What is love?
Skitsy. 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 Sit down, sit down. Sit down so I can see, watch me.